Today we're on the road to Oman. We're in Dubai Hatta Road now. We have 4.5 hours to arrive to Oman. Today is so hot. It's 48, 49 degrees. It's so hot. But still, living in United Arab Emirates is amazing. I love it. Hear the music? We were in the music street. It's very famous here. We still have to travel 2 hours 50 minutes to reach our hotel in Muscat, the capital of Oman. Shruti, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
So, we made good friends. Assistants from the hotel that opened as a swimming pool that they usually closed at night, just to see the view of the city. And this is the swimming pool. It's 10 p.m. now, 40 degrees, but it doesn't feel hot. I'm definitely feeling in love with Oman and Muscat.